couple of weeks ago, I received Poly Voyager Surround 80. This is a wireless headphones with surround capability and built-in 6 microphone to pick up your voice as clearly as possible. These headphones are designed first and foremost to be used in a professional work environment. Unboxing the package, you can see this hard case headphone case covered with felt-like material. Opening the case, you can see the pair of headphones that looks sturdy, beefy, and made of high-quality materials. As expected, I was greeted by my friend, instruction manual, and you will see underneath there the QR code to get to the Poly software to set up your headphones, update the firmware, and customize the headphones further. Of course, you can always use the headphones without using the app whatsoever, but if you can customize your headphones to fit your need perfectly, after all, you already paid for that extra features anyway. In the accessories pocket, you can find a plethora of USB cables, dongles, and everything like that. So here it is, the USB-C Bluetooth dongle. You need to use this if your computer is as archaic as mine and doesn't have built-in Bluetooth. And if your computer is even more archaic, there's a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So here it is again, the USB-C Bluetooth dongle. And now the detailed look of the headphones itself. I absolutely love it when a headphone manufacturer put the L and R indicators in huge letters. This way you can just pick up the headphone and then plop it on your ears without fumbling. Now the foam material around your ears, very soft yet firm and smooth. Very cushiony and relatively cool to the touch, great for prolonged usage. But most importantly, how does it sound? For calls or video calls, the sound is terrific, and according to the other person I talked to, they claim my voice to be very clear. For music, it's okay. It doesn't give me any surround sound as the name alluded to, but at least there's no sound inside of my head type of sonic reproduction. This really boosts the quality of conversation I can have using this headphone. On the music side, however, although it's not that bad, it cannot compete with Sony 1000 XM5 or Sennheiser Momentum 5. Although this headphone is priced well above those two other headphones. So although there's nothing really wrong with these headphones, it's very difficult to talk about the value proposition of this unit. In my humble opinion, this is just overpriced, albeit very slightly so. So unless you're going to be using this headphone mostly for video calls and such, it is very slightly difficult to justify the cost. At least that's what I think. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.